The next phylum is phylum Ctenophora, commonly called sea walnuts. They are exclusively found in marine condition. Body is radial symmetrical, diploblastic with tissue level of organization. Body bears an external rows of ciliated plates that help in locomotion. Digestion is both extra and intracellular. That shows the phenomena of bioluminescence. Sexes are not separate, means they are hermaphrodite, bisexual. Reproduction is through sexual means. Fertilization is external with indirect development. See the example of Ctenophora. Various parts are clearly mentioned in the diagram. Two long tentacles are there. Body is having the plates. Mouth is there. Anal pores is there. And these are found in the marine condition. See the picture, how they are showing the phenomena of bioluminescence that emits lights in the sea water. Now see the next phylum, that is the Platyhelminthes. They have dorso-ventrally flattened body, hence are called flatworm. Means body is flattened. They are mostly endoparasites found in animals including human beings. Flatworms are bilateral, symmetrical, triploblastic and acoelomate animals with organ level of organization. Hooks and suckers are present in the parasitic forms. Some of them absorb nutrients from the host directly through their body surface. Specialized cells called flame cells help in osmoregulation and excretion. Osmoregulation is a phenomena to balance the ionic balance within the body. Sexes are not separate. They are also hermaphrodite. Fertilization is internal and development is through many larval stages. Some members like Planaria possesses high regeneration capacity. Means Planaria can reproduce through the regeneration, that is a type of asexual reproduction. Some common examples are tapeworm, that is Tinea, and Fasciola, that is a liver fluke. Tapeworm is a endoparasite which is present in our gut and that is transmitted through the pork. Pork is a meat of pig and that is a very long tape-like structure. See the various parts, internal body structure of Planaria. Body is flattened, that's why it is known as Platyhelminthes. See the another example of flatworm. Next group is Scalehelminthes. Body of the Scalehelminthes is circular in cross section, hence the name is roundworm. These are free living, aquatic and terrestrial or parasitic in plants and animals. They have organ system level of body organization, bilateral symmetrical, triploblastic and pseudocoelomate, means coelom is not true. False coelom is present in this group of animals. Alimentary canal is complete with well developed muscular pharynx. Excretory tube removes body waste from the body cavity through the excretory pores. Sexes are separated, means male and females are different. They are dioecious. The common example is Ascaris, that is also known as roundworm. Then filarial worm, that is a Wucheria. Then Encyclostomata, that is a hookworm. All these are the parasite, endoparasite. Roundworm present within our body. See the structure of roundworm. Male and females are separate. Body structure. Male are smaller than female. See the structure. Now the next phylum is Annelida. Annelida means the body is having segments, rings are there. They may be aquatic, that may be marine or freshwater, or terrestrial, free living, and sometimes parasitic. They exhibit organ level system of body organization and bilateral symmetry. They are triploblastic, metamerically segmented, and coelomate, means true coelom is present from this group. Their body surface is distinctly marked out into segments or metameres, and hence the phylum name is Annelida. Latin, that is the Latin word. Annules means little rings, as shown in the figure. They possess longitudinal and circular muscles which help in locomotion. Aquatic annelids like Nereis possesses lateral appendages, that is parapodia, which helps in swimming. A closed circulatory system is present. Nephridia help in osmoregulation and excretion. Neural system consists of parallel paired ganglia connected by lateral nerves to a double ventral nerve cord. Nereis, an aquatic form, is dioecious, but earthworm and leeches are monoecious, means hermaphrodite. Reproduction is sexual. Examples are Nereis, Ferritima, that is a earthworm, Herodenaria, that is a leech. Closed circulatory system. A heart is seen with one dorsal and one ventral vessel. Respiration through skin found in moist condition. See the internal structure of the earthworm.